let's try. So we need to change this, and I think it will be easy because these are like, I think these will get off first, after that these, and I think these will also get out. Let me get my toolkit first, then we can start. Yes, I'll do this with my helmet on. Looks so foolish. And yes, I got the new front cowl from the service center. Got this a few days back, and yes, look at my arm, it's all okay now, all good, yay. After 2 years I'm free from, those metal wires and things, whatever it was. I'm free from it. So as you can see, it's green from inside because it was actually green, and I got it painted black because I couldn't wait for them to import one. That would take like weeks, so I got this for myself. I shouldn't be showing this because it's dirty as dirty because it's dirty. Yes. What the hell, dude? Oh my god. Can you see this? Oh my god. Yes, God bless us all. Done.